Hey folks, good morning. We are coming at you today with the intentions of doing a charity clay shoot for the Capital Area Pregnancy Center here in Central Pennsylvania. Had this thing lined up and we're excited. I'm actually en route to go meet with the boys. We got our team gathered and we're going to carpool over to the location together, but it's a soggy, rainy morning. They did notify us yesterday afternoon. They're still planning on shooting. So we've got about 51 degrees and the windshield wipers are on. So stay tuned. This is going to be a fun one. If we shoot, we will capture some audio and video and sort of take you guys along for the ride. But it's a great cause. Capital Area Pregnancy Center raising money to certainly the name gives away, you know, what they do for the community. So good organization to support, and we're just happy to go out and support them, have a good time. Rain or shine, we're gonna go shoot some guns. Getting ready to load up.
Yeah, I'm ready. I think I got everything. You get excited, your mind goes blank. You almost forgot the shells, but we got them here. We're gonna get ready. All right, Ron, we're a team, but who do you think is gonna do the worst?
Oh, who's gonna do the worst? I don't know. I think it's gonna start off. I hate to say anybody's names because they'll be watching this video, but it doesn't end with O-N-N-I-E. So Lonnie and Ronnie are gonna do fine. We'll just have to watch how those other two boys do. All right, Brady, what's your take on today's efforts and who's gonna do well?
So I have to emphasize we're a team, so we're gonna build each other up. But I know I've done some shooting, seen my dad do some shooting. I don't know about Mr. Brock or Mr. Ron, so that's where the question mark is. But only time will tell. I don't know if the rain's gonna have a factor or if someone's gonna have some excuses, but time will tell.
Somebody's definitely gonna blame them. They're bad shooting on the range. All right, Lon, the big question is, we're going out to do this charity shoot today in the rain. Who's gonna shoot straight and who's not?
Everybody's going to shoot straight. It comes down to whether they're hitting or not. That I ain't sure.
Yeah. We're sitting here waiting on our fourth person in the party to show up. Standing here just sort of hanging out.
Hanging out in the rain.
In the rain, getting soggy. And
wait for the safety meeting.
yeah, but I think the biggest concern here from this group is who's going to shoot straight, who's not, and who's going to blame the rain for their bad shooting.
Well, I'm pretty sure the sun's not going to be in my eyes, so it could be raindrops on my shooting glasses.
Good deal. All right, last of the party. What do you got to say?
I was tired last night, so I went to bed and didn't decide to get up until now.
Overslept. Who's going to shoot straight and who's not?
I always shoot straight.
All right, you heard it here first.
Who's not?
Who's not going to shoot straight?
We'll find out when we get there.
Stand up at all?
Hey, Brock.
Yeah.
Hand it through here to me.
Worst case, you know, we might have to bust them out of the case and the gun will fit. It's the case.
We got parked, we got our gear, and we headed towards the loading station to get briefed on safety and how the show was going to be run.
Shooter ready.
Player one ready. Here we go. So we need to figure out where Station 10 is. They usually are.
What we will be doing in a couple minutes, we are going to start with a safety conversation. All right, let me make sure. Nobody has a loaded gun here right now, right? All right, okay. If your gun is loaded, go away over there and unload it. All right, don't unload it in here, but no loaded guns right now. And the folks from Central Penn will be here in just a couple minutes. They'll give you a safety brief. They'll explain what's going on. If anybody knows where the cutoff valve is for the rain, we'll take care of that. And when you get back, you probably see what's going on. We're going to have lunch for you. Everybody gets 2 drinks, 1 water, 1 soda. They're in the cooler down there. Everybody will get 2 sandwiches. There's a bag of chips for you. And I put dessert on the sign because Pennsylvania Bakery's bringing it. I have no idea what they're bringing. So 1 dessert, whatever it happens to be. But they're supposed to be here about 11:45, 10:30. So they'll take care of you. So we'll get started in just a couple minutes. Thank you for your patience. Don't work ahead of yourself. Don't load your gun yet. Okay, no loaded guns right now.
No loaded guns.
That's right.
All right, we're here. We just got our safety briefing. Guns are unloaded. We're being safe. We're just waiting to get further instructed. Go from there. Got my coffee. It's a cold one. It's a little wet, but we're eager to get out and see what the course has to offer.
Yeah, a little bit of rain doesn't keep anybody away. So got a lot of guys in camo, a few guys like myself in orange. I don't want anybody to lose track of me where I'm at. So yeah, we're out here supporting a good cause today with the Capital Area Pregnancy Center, and we're going to have ourselves a good time shooting some good clays.
Thank you. Here we go. If you want to make your way closer here, I got Bill here that wants to talk to you so that everybody leaves with everything they brought. All right? So he's going to talk to you about safety, and then you'll get instructions on how we're going to do this. So Bill is right here.
Sir. Hey folks, welcome to Central Penn. I know some of you are familiar with sporting clays, maybe some of you aren't. We're going to go over some safety items first. Safety's paramount here. We're dealing with guns, live ammunition. We want everybody to have a good time, but we want everybody to be careful and be safe. Your guns need to be, the action's open at all times. So if you have a pump gun or a semi, make sure that action's open. If you have a double barrel, make sure the action's open, the gun's broke. The only time you're going to load that gun is when you're in the booth, after you get a show pair, the first man in the group. When the barrel's over the rail, then you're going to load 2 shots. Bang, bang. When you're done shooting at that station, empty that, the gun's going to be empty, open the action again. We want everybody to be, careful here. Everybody needs ear and eye protection while you're out in the course. If you don't have it, it's for sale in the office. Go up, she'll hook you up. Mary Ann will. Correct. You're going to, every squad has a score sheet with your guys' names and numbers on it, so kind of pay attention to that. Every score sheet has a starting position on it. Most of you are going to be walking. You go out across the line here, go down to the course, go to your assigned station. The stations have numbers on them. There's 2 stations closed. They have a white chain on it. We're not using those today. We have trap troubles here. When everybody is at an assigned station, I will blow a siren. Don't shoot, don't load your guns until you hear that siren. The first man in the station gets a show pair. There's a little silver bucket with a controller like this at each station. Have your buddy pull it out, press button number 1, first trap fires, press button number 2, second trap fires. It gives you an idea of where those birds are coming from. That's a show pair. You get 1 show pair per station per group. So pay attention when the first man's in the booth. Then you're going to load 2 shots with the barrel over the rail in the booth. Bang, bang. You do it 1 or 2 times, folks, you'll get the hang of it. It's pretty easy to do. If you have any issues with out there, we'll be out there in those orange Kubotas, flitting around, wave us down. If a trap goes, battery goes dead, or a gun jams, or whatever the issue might be, we'll get to you as soon as we can. When you're done at that station, go to the next station. So if you guys start at 2, go to station number 3. If you stay in rotation, it'll just expedite matters where everybody will start at the same time, everybody will get done about the same time. Where you're not jumping around and then causing confusion and guys are standing around waiting, or girls. Any questions, folks? Go have fun, make noise, break things, enjoy yourself.
If I can get all of the we'll put it right stand it right back here.
I feel like I'm on one of them big European fox hunts they're going around. Hold this for me. There's still some left.
Yeah, it's not a beer. Huh?
So then I ran track for the high school to make the football coach happy. What you do when you're faster than the guy ahead of you, you yell track. And then that tells them to, you know, watch out or like move over or stay in your lane. Station 10, we gotta walk the furthest, don't we?
I'm gonna be out of breath till we get there.
They make the big shooters go to the back.
So we're gonna start here and start working our way right back around.
Yeah, I guess end back here too.
Yeah, they were making the big shooters walk the furthest.
Uh-oh.
There might not be a station here. Station 10? We're close. One down. And finally you guys are going to park here. I would have
All right, you ready to see? There's one.
Left to right.
Here's two.
Oh, they're slow.
Okay, so they're coming from this direction. Got your earphone, Brady?
Cool.
Hit.
All right, get up there, shooter 2. You running?
Is Brock shooter 2?
Station here in station 2. Cool. Cool.
Oh, I'm gonna get in trouble. I didn't load it over here. Pull. Pull. Uh-oh. Load it over the thing.
Alright, cool. Cool.
Alright, looks like it's 1-0.
Everybody shot here, right?
Everybody shot.
Oh, I guess we just get 1 round on each, right? We get 2.
No, you get 1.
You sure? Because there's just 2 more there. And that you're not writing on station 1.
Station 1.
Oh,
You want to keep score?
no.
Okay. All right.
But how comes it has...
I don't know why it does that. He said 2 rounds. Certainly not 4 for low-K.
No, but if you look, there's 2 per low K, then there's looks like 4.
I know there are a couple spots there. I don't know.
I can't carry freaking on.
7, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 40, 41, 42, 43, 45, 46, 47,
Yeah.
48, 49, 50. It's 50 shots, so
We get one more round.
back up.
Get another round?
Another round here. Pull. Pull. Either of those hits.
Nope. What's X and O?
X's hit the mark, the spot. O's goose egg. All right, pull. Pull.
Go ahead.
I mean, see that first one coming out.
I saw you shot late.
Oh, I can't anticipate that one going up.
I didn't even see that one.
Raindrops.
Ready?
Pull. Pull.
That's an X.
It's an X. Pull. Hey, there's one.
Pull.
Here's your chance to come back. Everybody.
That's what I was thinking for. That's what I was thinking when I was coming down. I was like, I gotta hit this first one. The second one should be pretty easy.
What I was thinking too.
Huh? Ronnie hit that first one, so it should be easy.
Pull.
Oh, sorry, Lon. Say pull.
Technical difficulties.
You call it, Lon. Pull. Pull.
Ooh.
Motivated it.
This is pretty well set up.
They've done it a time or two.
Yeah. Performance so far not impressive to say the least, but we got a tight ball game. We're just getting started, just warming up the gun. Is this just a 1 or is this a 2?
I think I probably should have started down here at station 10.
That's what I was telling you when you yelled at me.
Yeah. Pull. It's okay.
Oh, I didn't take the safety off.
Okay. Pull. Pull.
Yep.
That counts. Pull.
Does not count. Hey, shooters always have to wear their glasses, even if you're not shooting.
Living and learning. Living and learning.
I'm gonna have to red flag you.
They're fogging up on me.
All right, let me show you guys how it's done.
That's how it is.
You look like you were looking for the second one for your first shot.
No, I was looking.
This is a four station.
Yep.
So Brock will give them another go around.
Yeah. Ready? Pull. Pull. That's one. Pull. Pull. Take notes. Is Lon gonna get on the board?
He's on the board.
Did he hit one?
He hit that. Yeah, his first one last time.
It's all in good criticism.
Oh.
That's one. See, we bring each other up. There he is. You just gotta light the fire.
He's like, you boys talking trash on me. All right, pull.
Two. How'd you feel?
Feel excellent. Pull. Pull.
Can he go 4-4-4? Hey!
I lost that one. Show off. Yeah, I lost that one, and when they get out there, they're harder to hit. Well,
Nice shooting.
that's a great. That's what they call an ace.
Okay. 2. So it's 6 to 3 to 2.
Everything working okay for you guys?
Yeah.
So far, so good. That was a good one.
It's
so
a great course.
Everything too, right?
some of us.
Breaking when it hit the ground.
That's right, everybody should have 100 then.
All right.
All right.
Hopefully this rain holds up for you.
This ain't bad.
Yeah, really isn't too bad.
Yeah. All right, enjoy.
Yep, appreciate it.
Surely.
You think I'd get kicked out if before every shot I yelled suppressing fire?
Maybe.
Oh, them things are sweet. All right, who's not picking up their shells? That's what they're thinking.
The guys from behind, but you want to get film, from them on the shooting side so that you got good footage. Pro tip. Yeah. Get on them quick if you can. They get out there, they start to move away.
Secrets out. You might be right about your Ani comments.
Oh, that's the same one, but
Doesn't count. We'll give you the ace.
All right, pull. Pull. Check the bead on this. Something ain't right.
mine looks crooked. That's why I asked.
That might help your shooting.
Huh?
That might help your shooting.
I'm also used to a scope on that gun.
All right, pull.
Ofer.
Yeah, I don't like the way that went.
Huh?
Yeah, that's big points for you.
Huh?
Big points for you. Folks, score update. We got Brock with 5. I got 13. Then we got a tight one. We got Lonnie and Ronnie, the Anis, both with 17. So it looks like we got about 9 or 10 left. It's gonna be a close one. How we doing? How we making out so far?
we're hitting some clays and we're not hitting some clays. I'm used to them standing still.
Yep, but having fun, right?
Always having fun.
We're breaking stuff. We're getting to shoot the guns. We're having pretty good time. So, yeah, keep tuned.
Halftime adjustments been made. That's a point.
That's a point.
I need like a foam block to put under here just so it beefs it up. Just like glue it. For fishing, it works perfect.
It doesn't have an angle.
It's all it got to tilt up because it hits the thing. See what I mean? What are them things you use for tin? They run over the tin rivets and it's got the tacky glue on the bottom of it. It's foam. What are them called?
It's a foam.
I need a closure gasket.
No.
So I can put under
You
this
just need
thing
to
so
walk
it
around like
like
you're
a,
the man.
like a Pennsylvania bear hunter.
Work. Okay. Big boys are stepping up.
You just gotta wait all day for that last one to come to you. All right. Here.
I got you.
Cool. Cool.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! I hit 3. You're robbing me of one.
Yeah, they always get me. Them ones coming back at you. Should have just left them. 0.
You were messing me up here. I hit 3.
Brock took that. That's 1. Boy, they come out quick.
They got some heat on them.
Just like golf, how you have a caddy, you need like a shotgun caddy. Like get your gun, pick up stuff, hand you shells. I'm sure with the pros is what they do.
That's a face of disappointment.
What happened?
Short stroked it, we didn't latch in the whole way. My roll's behind by 1, I think.
Pull. Who's got the remote? Who's pulling? Who's got the remote? All right, guys. Funny. Funny, guys. Okay, pull.
Misfire.
Where'd it go?
It hit like the tree.
Give me that one again. Pull.
That's a hit.
Pull. That's 2 of them. All fun and games. Until you break all your clays. All right. Like that didn't take long to get us pushed through.
Yep. Now we get to go back to this line. Oh, they're shooting already. That's good.
Maybe the boys in the truck will be there waiting for us at the end.
Man, I ran a half marathon and the finish line was like 2 miles away from where you started. You think they'd have carts? Nope. I had to limp my ass back to the car, sore.
Stupid.
Felt like I ruptured my Achilles.
That's not well thought.
They gave you a lunch, so I really took my time eating it, and then I was like, I guess I got to get up and
That makes it
move.
worse.
Yeah, sitting down. See, they jumped ahead. Well, the show's over. Had a blast. Ron's the big winner. He outlasted the scent warden over there by 2 clays. What do you got to say?
Apparently I outshot him by 2 clays, but I had 3 or 4 misfires. I got bullets and shells still in my pocket. So it was a good day. It's just starting to spritz. We beat the weather. Awesome event.
Yeah, glad we could come out here, support a local charity, and just get the guns out, knock some dust off. So good practice for turkey season. They're a little bit bigger to hit, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're gonna go up here, get some lunch.
Time for a sandwich.
And fill up our bellies because we're starving. So. Tally them up.
Well, this is the end of the road here, so we're going to start here with the Apex Predator. Got a 24 count. My older brother's got a 22.
Young gun.
Young gun here with 19. And I think at the beginning, this guy says he's a sure shot, doesn't miss. And he's gonna go turkey hunting, and he said just 5 minutes ago it would only take 1 shot. So he saved all his luck up. But that's it. So
Boys, that ain't bad for 25 shots.
I know, 25, 24 out of 25, 22 out of 25. All for charity.
Enjoyable day.
So it's just a soggy day here. It stopped raining, it started again. But you want to put those in the logbook, or maybe tuck them under your pillow and sleep at night on top of them. Here's the evidence.